Okay, ice cream cakes. In 2 minutes, just 2 minutes,
I made 62.
the thing is gonna be done.
You mean what?
So I'm really excited.
62 water bottles.
And while
62
I wait.
actually landed? No way.
I'm not lying.
This
62
is
counting.
That's amazing. How you can
and
do
my
that?
last video, I got
I'll show you.
35 bottle flips.
And I got 62.
Yeah, she's like, her bottle flip skills are good. And yeah, I guess I'm just gonna talk for the rest of the video.
Quite easy to do.
So,
You just have to
boring,
do
I'm
it.
sorry, but I guess I'm doing bottle flip.
Oh.
Ah,
1, 2.
ah,
Oh, darn it. 1.
oh God, I'm almost landed.
3. 3 in a row.
Okay, I'm back.
4 in a row.
Woo!
Oh, 4 in a row. I did a 10 in a row. Over there.
Oh man. Okay. Guess no more bottle flips. I guess I'm just inviting my friend Birdie over here. Hello.
Daddy, 1 minute till I take out my baby.
I said hello.
You did
No, wait.
You are weird. Really talking back to me right now? That's bad, Bird. I said you're talking back to me, bad bird. I said bad bird. I said bad bird. Okay. Guess I'm showing you what I got. So I have this pop character and on the back. I'm gonna try to say all of them. It's a Willy Wonka chocolate factory. Wait. It's time to do the thingy! Yes! So, here you go, guys. Taking out my bird.
I just took out my unicorn. Guys, I just took out my unicorn.
So exciting.
I'm going to check on them. Let me see too. I'm going to check on them.
No. And yeah, it is done here. Oh my god.
Okay, guys. Oh my gosh, my dog.
Stop. You can't talk that her.
It's cold.
Let me feel. Oh my gosh. Mine's kind of like that.
My unicorns. Oh. Now, guys, this was in the freezer for 2 hours.
I already told them that.
2 hours.
That's right. Guys, it just turned 5 o'clock. No, 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. 5 o'clock.
Just turned
no.
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock at night. 5 o'clock.
Yeah. Not in the morning. It would be bright outside right now. Okay. So, say hi to Hootie.
Say hi to baby Magenta.
Okay. I guess we're just playing with them.
Named her Magenta.
What's he?
Now you can zoom in.
No, it says cannot.
Daddy. Feel Magenta.
Okay, and now